But you apart.
You need to calm down, sir. There's more than one way to skin a cat. Is that right?
No, cat.
My bad.
Cat.
Honey?
Yeah, take that top piece
I'm
off.
telling you, I got it. What
Right
you?
here, look. We
Get
take
your
this
fingers
off,
out of the
we
hole.
can see it more.
Well, take it off. Get his damn tool set back there and I'll do it. Now I need to get behind you.
Hey,
Huh? You get it?
no.
Why not?
Because you got something on my leg.
You quit it. See, I told you I got it, you asshole. You told me I didn't.
Hey, you got it. Here, hold
You
that.
got hit me in the mouth with that. And not the wrench, if you know what I'm saying. Hey, these gloves keep my fingers warm.
Yeah, no.
You put my cover on. You try to get it.
I'm going to put it cover on.
You ain't got no coveralls on. Put them in the pouch like a little kangaroo.
Oh!
I'm cheering you on from over here.
Uh-oh.
Did you get it?
My fingers.
Get your finger out of it.
I can't, it's stuck.
Here, look, you want me to pull it? No,
man.
not your finger, go shit on me. You had that spice that was on there.
It'll take my belly's burning.
Shit all over me. You'll be alright though.
It's going to take this stuff to peel.
Give you something on your belly. You can gargle it till it goes down easier. Keep twisting it.
I'm working on it.
Twist it. Oh, twist it. Twist the shit out of it.
Uh-oh.
Did you drop the soap?
No, it's hitting the wobbly shaft.
It's hitting. What about the canoodling valve?
Might have to take the canoe valve off.
It's getting low on blinker fluid too.
Get the wobbly shaft twisted.
Where? I'm gonna put my wobbly shaft in your canoodling valve.
Easy!
You never tell me. It's
Ain't
usually
no wonder I
harder.
can't get nothing done. I'm trying. Bryce is trying to harder than me.
Hey, we're fornicating. It's okay. Trying to stay warm. Oh, that's a beautiful lamp.
I messed up.
You'd be like that damn dog off Joe Dirt. Your fucking nuts would be frozen to the porch. Had to get damn
I
spanked.
think there was a wet spot on the bumper. My britches leg stuck to it.
Wait, where at?
Oh, wait a minute.
Was that it? I think I got something. Damn, my foot. Get your nuts. Get your wiener off my shoulder, sir. I ain't trying to speak into the microphone.
It's cold. It's cold.
Feel. Get it out of here. Quick, quick.
But here, feel.
I wouldn't be feeling down there a little shriveled up right now.
Oh, it's cold.
I want to impress you. It's crazy.
I ain't gonna bring it out, right?
Do you not?
It's loose.
Well, let it go soft and then pull it out.
Oh, dang.
Did you get it, Buttercup?
I got it.
Pull it out. Oh, let's see what it does. Is it tight? That's almost as tight as my... Yeah, she ain't that tight. Is that?
Tighter than that.
Hmm?
It's not tighter than that.
I'm just here. I'm here for moral support and holding the hood. Hey, the hood's staying by itself.
It's froze.
Hell yeah.
Like my britches legs froze to the goddamn truck.
No, they're not.
Oh, wait a minute. That wasn't my britches leg. That was my fucking...
Hey, what you nutsack? I got it. I mean,
That was my...
are you built like a hamster?
That was my part.
Are you built like a hamster?
Yes.
Hot balls and no wiener?
Yes.
Damn it, man.
Hurry! It's cold!
Yeah.
Hey, the hood fell. It's not froze no more. Bryson. Hey! It's under the damn seat! No, not tonight I hadn't. I get drug tested.
That's gonna be hot as hell.
That's what she said.
Well, no, that ain't what she said. She said, excuse me, I've been with like 28 different women, men.
Uh-oh, I got my good shirt on. I got it dirty.
Oh, goddamn. Don't be an asshole. That fucking hurt.
I didn't feel it.
It's so cold, I ain't even bleeding.
Voila.
Matthew, I think we have liftoff.
I need a cigarette.
Hey, we got liftoff, sir.
Hey.
You gotta be like a gynecologist when you're working on this shit. Hit your
what's the
damn.
other one?
Hit the ground.
Oh, my fingers just got it.
This is the way I gotta work. This is the way we brush our hair. Brush our hair.
This is your fucking idea.
Hell no, it wasn't. This was
You
your
know,
idea. Bullshit.
Maybe you got in. I said, well, you
Flipped it.
I can't. You can't get in there far enough. So.
Twist it. You dropped it. There went my damn phone right in the damn grill. Fuck yeah, it was. Can you twist it? Twist it. Twist it.
Nope. Oh, man, if you can.
That's as far as it'll go, sir. Your thumb's bleeding.
Oh, what the hell was that?
I think your no, that was your nuts peeling off the grill. Is it in? Oh, that's so beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. It's true. You got it? Is it turning? Wrong hold, sir. Wrong hold. Pull out. Pull out.
That was pretty good.
I'm a dinosaur. Ooh. Hey, how you doing? Turn it.
I'm trying.
Okay. You sound like Fat Albert.
Hey, hey, hey.
It's Fat Albert.
Baby.
You ain't no gonna have me. No, did you turn?
No, I'm not gonna do
You fucking shitting me. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Turn it.
I might have figured it
What'd you figure out, sir? That this is a Ford? What'd you lube it with?
Speed.
Ooh. Hey, how you doing?
Uh-oh, it turned.
Is it turning?
I think it's going in.
Keep twisting it. Now do it. Now I'm balls deep. We should be dead nuts. Nope, there went your finger. If I fart, I'm gonna end up killing myself because it's in the coveralls with me.
Take what out?
And I ain't got no damn butt flap.
Honey.
Take what out?
This,
No,
you
I
take
ain't
it
taking
back
it back.
out so I can get the sensor out.
I can get the sensor out.
We'll get the
Believe
damn
this
sensor
shit.
out. Quit screaming. I have a ideal. Hold on, quit for a damn second, sir. If you don't fucking quit, hold on. The temperature sensor pulls all the way out. If you would hold your damn horses for a second, quit. God damn it, you just broke
Alright,
it.
just popped out. Yeah, it broke. Or it come out one.
Oh, shit.
What the fuck,
Man,
man?
I want
God,
everything.
there went my damn light.
Everything
Now I can't fucking see
is that,
shit.
Bryce?
I don't have a fucking clue. I can't see.
Everything happened. Where'd it go? Oh, I already unplugged it.
Fuck yeah, you did.
Hold on, goddammit.
Fuck me. Again. Well, let's turn something over there. Oh, God. Shit.
Where the hell that ratchet?
I don't know what you're doing with it.
I got it in my pocket.
What size was that? The wrong one?
The fucking wrong one. Told you it was a 10 to begin with.
That's what I tried to tell you. You didn't believe me. Said it didn't feel like a 10 last night. That's what she told me.
Get it all the way in.
Yeah, I tried. I was close.
Wasn't,
Since he's a bigger guy, things feel smaller, I guess. I don't
wasn't,
know. I mean, that's a
says
lot.
he just married my daughter to get the money.
That's what happened.
You know, can't take it nowhere.
I mean, hell, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I knew where the money was at.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
Somebody lied to me.
Shit, you ain't gonna be able to get on that motherfucker. You just watch me. Look at it. Would you just fucking look at it? And I tell you what.
Watch it, it's going
Look
down,
at
Jack.
that.
See? I tried to tell you, it's all we had to do.
Hell, I tried to tell you earlier to take this fucking shit off. And you
Yeah,
wouldn't fucking
yeah.
listen.
Walked over here, son. Walked over here. Said, I don't want to hear you didn't take that shit off.
That's what I
anyway.
told Bryce earlier. He wouldn't
Hey.
listen.
Now it's off there. Now you turn this son of a bitch.
Hell yeah, look at there. You got it? Come on, twist it. Hey, your hands are turning purple.
Fucking cold.
No. The other one's easy as shit to get to. Hell, it's just inside the block. I say
Up under it.
yeah, me too. Be alright
They're
though.
gonna lay under that.
I got my cover hogs on. Matt's gonna lay down, I'm gonna lay on top of him.
That'll work.
That's what it's gonna be.
That's fucking, that'll get it.
Hell
That's
yeah.
the only way to do it. One on top, one on bottom.
Well, and I mean, you know,
Yeah.
if we get too cold, you get in there with us, Tommy.
Head, three, you gotta do three.
Three's a party.
Yeah,
I'm
three's
telling
better,
you.
man. Put
Sausage
that more-
fest,
put that more heat, hell.
Hell yeah.
Fucking fuel line right there.
Take it off. Don't want you to get frostbite. You won't be able to use them hands on me later.
Damn snot froze my fucking. It'll thaw. Scoop down over the grill there.
Put your mouth over it, Matt. Be alright. Hey, Matt, this is a fucking horrible idea.
Well, this goddamn this late at night. Yeah, I done this by early today.
Hell, I didn't have to shit early today. I had to go to Knoxville and get it. Fuck yeah. Hell
What, you
yeah.
ordered it?
No, I get my discount and shit down there through work.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I'm warming myself up.
Hell yeah. Keep them there for a minute.
This son of a bitch will never run again.
I hope so.
If it does, it will be with about 10 minutes. No, it failed.
Oh, keep on locking the car doors. I guess with my Johnson.
Here, let me back in there, Johnson.
I got it, honey.
He's going. He's going.
Keep
down.
on warming up your hands, sir.
He ain't even had his hands over some of you. He had his ass over.
Yeah, 'cause he ain't got no drawers on.
Yeah.
Say concrete cutters go deeper.
Do they?
Yeah, their hands don't get cold either.
Shit.
Don't hear that shit. I've done it. It's a fucking lie. Who told you that?
Dear Jesus.
Yeah, God.
Son of a bitch fall right out the crack.
Hell yeah. Fucking froze up.
Pretty bad when you fart, it freezes like your breath.
Yeah. Well, it's going down in there.
I guess that means it's pretty moist. Yeah.
It's going down in there.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah. We're in there like.
Where the keys are to this turd. You look like a fucking Christmas turkey fucking a football over there. You sure you don't need some help?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I look like a Christmas turkey?
Yeah.
Hey, what's different than a Christmas turkey and a damn Thanksgiving turkey? They're both damn turkeys. One of them sing jingle bells when you cook it? Hey, let me watch at least.
I'll let you hold it. You got
That's
gloves
what
on.
The wrench.
If you hold this while I pee, I ain't got gloves on.
We're here.
Hurry up.
All you gotta do is put it between your grill and I'll hold it.
We've lost everything between the grill. I don't want to put it between the grill.
We won't lose that monster, I'm telling you. They call you kickstand for racing. You broke your leg and you need crutches.
Three legs crutches, wasn't it?
Hell yeah, just walk with that damn car on it.
You know, leave the temperature sensor unplugged.
Fuck yeah.
Hard to get there.
I warmed up my fingers to put between your butt crack.
Warm them gloves up so I can see.
Right here. Warm them up. Come here, Tommy.
Yeah, man.
We both got to help you pee. We both got gloves on. And you know 2 hands ain't gonna hold that monster. This big great golden shower.
Warm my leg up.
I can warm your leg up. Is that your leg or your cod? I can't tell. Is that your knee bone or the head of it? I can't tell. I couldn't tell what it was. I mean, if that was it, I want to try it at least once. Maybe twice. I mean, depending on how good I am. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I got a question. You fart? Did it freeze? You're black smoking like my truck.
Rolling coal, baby.
No, that's rolling coal. That's the shit right there, literally. I'm telling you.
Take you nowhere.
The motherfucker sounded wallered out. I didn't know it was damaging it that bad. Who else is poking it?
Sound like a damn two-stroke.
Hell yeah. Then you may need to oil it. Then like some bitch getting like ready to lock up, sling a rod or something. Hey, yeah, I mean, yeah, little lean. Think you may have found out the spark plug.
Here, look here. That dead ass on it, boy.
Hell yeah.
Look there.
I can almost see through his mouth.
Hey, look at all up in that crack. Look at that. Damn,
Open
nice.
your mouth, Matt. Make some
Look at
shadow
what
puppets
a
up
spread.
there.
God damn, mama.
I'm telling you, you spread eagle right now, son. I'm
Look
telling
at
you.
that, somebody's heating like hell, boy.
Hell yeah.
Man.
That's a hot asshole, let me tell you.
Yeah.
I don't want to talk about the asshole still.
How about this motherfucking grill,
Let's talk
boy?
about that asshole still. Your neighbors probably hate us. Like, oh my God, we have kids and they're talking about looking at an asshole.
Yeah.
It's okay, they'll learn eventually.
Look here, Bryce. I put that on for you, boy.
Well, hey, I'm getting ready to tear that up, Matt. You stand like that for a minute. You ain't gonna know you got hemorrhoids.
Got to put the other new one on there.
Oh, you hit me right in the fucking balls. God almighty. Woo. That was nice. I enjoyed that one, Matt.
That's payback for crawling on my back.
I had to. I was trying to hold myself up. Seriously, get that one on there. Get that off me! I'm telling you. Damn it, I just took out the side of the damn truck with the light. Fuck. Here, you get the light. You can line out, get pole. We go fishing the crawdad hole.
Baby!
On in, darling,
That's
of mine.
right.
Over there somewhere. I don't fucking know. You're the one that said it was over here. I didn't even see it the other day.
I thought you said you seen it.
I thought I seen it too, but it could, I could have been probably taking a while. Bring that light over here.
Or,
Over on this side.
no, it's not on that. It's on this.
We'll Google it real quick.
I thought we seen it right there. Let me turn that big wheel back the other way, maybe?
Yeah, try it.
I think it was right up there.
It should. Oh my nuts got stuck on the damn. Okay, my back's cold.